Morning everyone. We have one of the activity in class 12 where we have to use the multimeter in order to check the continuity of the circuit, find the resistance, AC voltage and DC voltage. Besides that, there is current also, which we are not doing because our multimeter doesn't have the AC current measurement scale. So rest of the observations I'll show you. First, how to use a multimeter and what is a multimeter. Now this device is called a multimeter, right? Please see that carefully. This part is measuring the AC voltage. This is for the current, DC voltage, and here we have for the resistance. The black terminal is the common terminal where it is against COM. COM means common. And the red one will be connecting to the potential source, current source, etc. So the first, and here is the knob which you can move as per your requirement. If I have to measure the resistance, I'll keep it here at the right range. Now for example, if I am measuring the resistance in the range of 2000, this pointer should be at 2000. Next, if I am measuring the potential in the range of, let's say, 2 volt, we have to use this as 20, not 2000 millivolt. That might be a little risky, so keep it at 20 and you will get the reading. And then for AC, you have to keep it here. For AC, the range is not much, it's just 200 and 750, so we'll keep it at 200. And the reading will be on this display unit. The first measurement that we are making is to check the continuity of the circuit. Now when we check if the circuit is continuous, you will hear a little sound there. I hope you can hear it. Now we check the continuity of the wire, that means the wire is not broken anywhere. And as soon as the terminals are connected properly, a sound will be heard. So this is the sound, means the circuit is continuous. Next is the resistance. Now I have taken out 2000 ohms from here, 2000 ohm knob. So when you adjust the multimeter to the resistance at 2000, 200K. Keep it at 2000. Okay. So once we connect it on the two terminals, you will see the reading. It keeps fluctuating. Okay, now you can see the reading is quite close to 2000. It's 1982 ohms. Next we measure the AC potential. This is the AC supply. We will first adjust it to 200 volt AC and then connect it onto the supply. Black to the positive, negative or 0, and red to the positive. Here. Now see, it's coming out to be around 9.2 and we have attached it to 8 volts. Right? So error is of course there, but that's what we are checking via the multimeter. Now you can record the readings also. It's 8 volt and 9.2. We'll repeat the process with DC. Adjust the multimeter to DC now. See. Yes. positive and negative like this. The knob, the toggle switch is at 4 volt, and the reading here it fluctuates because our hand keeps shaking. It's about 4.3 for 4 volt. So this is how this is all in the activity. Okay, that's nothing to worry about. So just take the readings, and the agenda is to use the multimeter. That is all. Thank you.